All right, the second thing that I said I was going to show you how to do is a warm-up exercise. So the warm-up exercise is quite similar, except there's no crossing involved. Okay, so we're going to have our fingers in this position, but when you get to the G, you're just going to come back down. And you want to make sure that your fingers are being pressed in both hands at the exact same time. In other words, you don't want like sloppiness of things not firing or triggering identically at the same time. You want to make sure that you're as precise and possible. It sounds like it's just one note. Okay? And then once you do that, you take this position and you move everybody up to the next position. And I like to chord it out like that, even though it sounds a little funky, because this is the position. You can even practice this as an exercise. This is like a 5-finger chord. Okay, and do it at your own speed, whatever you need to do for it to be sounding smooth and clean. Cleanliness over all things. Coming back down the keyboard. And you get the idea. Okay, so that's that. Just as a little bit of a bonus way that you can tweak this a little bit to be a little bit different is you can actually do what's called contrary motion. So same position, same fingering, except you're going to start, it's actually going to be the mirror just like the hands are. So pinkies, ring finger, 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you get this kind of like that kind of motion going on, okay? Of course, move it up. Okay, and also, so you do that up and back down the keyboard. Practice at different volumes. It's good for confidence to practice loudly. We'll develop finger strength, but also balance it out by being a little bit more delicate. Practice the nuance. Gradually get soft and loud again, like that. So there's a bunch of things that you can do right there. Great way to warm up your fingers.